Assalamu alaikum students. Now we have to study about the gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? Gravitational potential energy of a body is defined as the amount of work done in displacing a body from infinity to that very point. The difference between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential is that in gravitational potential it was defined as the amount of work done in displacing a body of unit mass from infinity to that very point. Now we have to displace, if we are having a whole body of mass m, small m, 10 kg, 20 kg, 50 kg, how much work has been done, how much work is to be done in order to displace the whole body to a point where we have to find the gravitational potential energy of the body. So gravitational potential energy of a body at a point, let's say that will be the A, is defined as the amount of work done in displacing a body from infinity to point A. And that point is already in the gravitational field of the huge mass. For that very purpose, we consider a small mass m, which is placed at a distance of x from the mass m, that is the mass of Earth. Then the gravitational force of attraction between Earth and this mass will be F equals to what? G m m over x square. Why x? Because the mass m at point C is at a distance of x. Now let the mass is displaced from C to B through small distance x. Then small amount of work done will be given as dw equals to f dx. And instead of f, we'll place g m by x square dx. Now this is the small amount of work done in displacing a body of mass m to a point A. Now total amount of work done in displacing this body from x is equal to infinity to x is equal to r, because we have to displace, no doubt the body was at a distance of x. Now x is infinity because the definition of gravitational potential energy is the amount of work done in order to bring a body, displace a body from infinity to a point. From infinity, that is x should equal to r, and x should equal to infinity to x equal to r is the point. This is at a distance of, this A is at a distance of r from the center of Earth. So in order to get the potential energy at point A, we have to integrate this very equation. Integral of dw equals to, again the same, x is equal to infinity to x is equal to r. So it will be then what? G m m over x square dx. Now this differential and integral is going to leave. What is going to reside? Then it will be simply w equals to what? G is a constant thing, universal gravitation called mass of force, that will be constant, mass of body, that is constant, and it will be integral of infinity to r 1 by x square dx. Now this is the integral. Now in the second step, what we will do, it will be g outwards, m outwards, and the small m, it will be infinity to r, it will be x raised power minus 2 dx, because we have taken it in the numerator. Or on solving, it will become as what? G m m. If we are going to solve it, it will again be x raised power minus 1 over x from infinity to r. Minus 1, not I guess, minus 1. This minus 1 will come out, it will be w equals to what? Minus times g m m, and then within the bracket it will be 1 by x infinity to r. So instead of x upper limit r, instead of x lower limit is this, so it will be equal to minus g m m 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity, that is 0, and simply w comes out to be what? Minus g m m over r. So this work done is equal to the gravitational potential energy, or you have to say, we can write it down, UG, gravitational potential energy is equal to minus G M M over R over R. Or if you are going to say, it will be simply UG equals to minus G M M by R. I think that is the gravitational potential, V into M. Gravitational potential into the mass of that very body. So you have to remember, from this very equation we can conclude that is clear that gravitational potential energy increases. Listen how it is. As R increases, this should decrease because it's inversely proportional. But there is a negative sign. That means it becomes less negative. Does less negative mean increase? So as R increases, UG becomes less negative. Less negative means that it is increasing. And gravitational potential energy becomes maximum at R is equal to infinity. That is zero. Once R equals to infinity, that will become a zero, and that is the maximum value. In the all cases, it will be negative. Why it is negative? Because there is always a force of attraction between the huge Earth and that very mass. It will be always negative. So it will be positive in one case where its value will be zero. Positive, then value will be 0, and at that very time it will not be bound towards the earth. So this is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.